What's happening, guys? It's Raul TV team. How for you? Well, we're back again, back in the garage, and what we're doing this time around is I've got 07 plate Peugeot partner here, okay, and I'm going to change the fuel filter. Slightly tricky job this one. I mean, to change the fuel filter, not a hard job. If you're unlucky, then you're here for the long run, okay? If you're lucky, then it should fire straight up. Few turns, it should fire up. I hope I'm the lucky one, okay? Let's do it. Let's go. Right, 1.6 diesel, pretty much same on the 1.4 diesels. I think the 1.3 diesels, pretty much the same. Okay, so what we do is, first things first, I've already took this off, so that comes off, it goes in there, that comes off. Okay, we need to take this Jubilee clip off, this one off, which I've already taken off. Flick that off, that comes off. So we've took that off, that's out of the way. The air filter, take that plug off. And it's just press fit basically, the air filter. So I've already took it off once. All you do is just pull it off. That comes out through there. And there is the fuel filter. Okay guys, on this one we're lucky because it's got a manual pump on this side. Sometimes they don't have a manual pump, electronic pump, and it's a headache bleeding it. So first things first, dead easy. I mean, you don't need, it's 10 minutes to change this actually. Take that switch off from there. Okay, we're going to take this pipe off, which you'll need two hands. One to press these little clips in, push it out. Same with that one, push in, out. And all it is a little clip here and the filter just slide off. Right, so I've already pressed that clip in because I needed two hands. So all you do is just, after you pressed it in, you pull it out at the same time. That's one off. Same on this side, the bottom one. You don't really need to mark them. If you want to mark them, you can mark them. That's another one off there. All you do now is, guys, you press that clip here. Yeah, and lifts off. You've got another switch underneath, right there. Take that one off as well. Happy days. Let's go. Next job for us is we need to take this little unit off. Dead easy. Flick it off on the top here. Yeah, just flick that there. Little screwdriver. Flick that off. We're gonna put it onto the new one. Two seals on the end there, as you can make out there. Replace them seals, bang it onto the new one. Okay, we've built it up now. All we're going to do now is, in reverse order, fit it. I mean, there's a plug that goes underneath that plug. It doesn't go onto anything, it's all blank basically, as you can see there. Right, so all we do is fit it back in reverse order, get that plug back on underneath, get them two pipes on, that plug on the top, and hopefully it starts up. Okay, we've got this back on, the filter is back on, the two pipes back on, this one, the switch is back on here, it's clipped on here as well. All we do now is give it, it's got a manual pump on this side, we're going to give it some pump in here, get it primed up, and then we'll give it a start, see if it starts up. Okay, the eagle-eyed viewers out there will see that I haven't put the air filter back on. It's because I'm going to do a little service on this car as well. I'm going to change the air filter, oil filter, engine oil, so no point in me putting it back on than taking it back off again. Right, so I'm going to replace all that and then put it back on. You guys will just go ahead and fit it in reverse order, click the air filter back on there, put the pipes back on around here, and yeah, that's it, the job done. I'm going to give it some more priming, and that should be enough priming, and let's do it, let's start it. Right, there we have it, it started up. Luckily, first time, I'm not making this up, I've got witnesses here, it started up bang first time, alright? I've got witnesses here, there we go, my man here, he's a witness, started up first time, right? The ones that you don't have a manual pump on it, you might struggle with them ones. This one, got a manual pump on it, give it some priming, fill that up as well. Okay, and then it should start up. Once it starts up, keep the revs on it because you don't want the fuel filter to go empty, and then that's it. You've got big trouble. Then you'll have to prime it. So yeah, hopefully that'll help you guys out. That's how we replace the fuel filter on a Peugeot Partner 2007, that is. So all I'm going to say, guys, is like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Got lucky with this one. Like I mentioned, if it hasn't got the pump on it, you just be careful. And I'll see you guys soon.